So what we want to do in this model here is we want to put supports under this lip right here. And what we want to do is we want to use solid supports so that it's nice and smooth. So to do that in Bambu Slicer, what you want to do is you want to make sure you have one spool that's going to be PET G and whatever you're going to print out is PLA. And so now what I'm going to do is go to support. I'm going to go to enable support and I'm going to go to tree. Now you don't have to use tree, I'm just using tree. And then our next section here is filament for supports. The support raft interface we want to change to our PET G spool. Now we scroll down into advanced and we want to go to right here, top Z distance. We're going to change it to 0. Now, if we were putting a support in between two things, we'd also change our bottom to 0. But because I'm on the build plate, I only need to change the top. Base pattern I like to change to something other than the default. I think it works a little better. I'm not really sure what default is. I'm going to assume rectangular, but I like the grid actually. And then go down a little bit farther and the top interface spacing, change that to 0. And then once you do all that and we slice it, you'll see we have one little red ring right there, and that is going to be our PET G. And because we removed all the gaps, it's tight right up against it, so when it goes to print the PLA here on that PET G, it'll be smooth against that PET G. If you're printing on an open machine, it's no problem. But if you're going to print it on an enclosed machine like the P1S or the X1 Carbon, you do want to leave the door open because of the two temperatures of the different filaments. You can get clogs in the nozzle if the chamber gets too warm. So open the door, pop the top off, whatever you want to do, but leave some airflow in there for the change in the different filaments and the temperature changes.